journey to the Windy City kicked off at Comiskey Park in a Game 1 Oakland A's loss to the Pale Hose in the crucial 4-game series for the A's.
You're old school, man. You're old school, I can tell you that. Comiskey. The Comisk.
Here's Pooh taking the classic Chicago River architecture tour on a gorgeous September afternoon. Hey, what's going on up there?
Different sizes and shapes. It's a polygon.
Game 2 of the series has former co-workers and friends Brian Moran and Machine joining the Poog for a fun night of baseball, frolicking in the only win for the Green and Gold in the series.
Big crowd here at Comiskey.
Hey, you got it now! You got it now!
My team sucks.
Don't forget about those flirtatious, fun ladies crashing photos and video.
That's how you get some of those guys over there. They start talking. Over by theirs. We're going over to Soldiers Fields. They put S's on everything. We're going to Jules and Portillo's and all those fun places.
Of the series has the loyal Machine back for more A's White Sox baseball at the ballpark in this mid-September matchup. On the final day of the trip, former co-worker and friend Will Boykins joins the fray on this cold, overcast day on the south side, over by there. Over by there. What better way to wrap up an excellent time in Chicago than to indulge in some twin-acre ribs? Topped off with many beers and blues with Machine on a splendid night on the town. Until next time, Chicago.